Hey you guys, it's Coupon with Niche. Welcome back to the channel. We are back at Publix because the deals are finally live. They are valid from 7/1 to 7/7. If you all have not had a chance to check out the preview video that I posted for Publix yesterday, go ahead and check that out because we have some really good deals. But today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to go through all the deals, still the same since they are live. We're going to go through some new deals. I'm also going to do some scenarios. So for our Pampers Flashers, hopefully my store has them in stock. I'm going to show you all at the register what the price is going to look like. And then also for the Dove deal, I'm going to show you all what the price will look like as well. So we're going to do a little bit of transactions today. But you guys, it's a really good week at Publix. We're going to cover some meat deals, some drink deals. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I don't know if we're going to need an extra savings flyer, but I always get one just in case. So make sure when you go to your Publix, go to the information center and grab you one of these extra savings flyers. One thing I absolutely love about my Publix is they always put their BOGO deals in the very front, so it's easy for you to access. So let's just go ahead and go through some of the deals that I know are going to be BOGO since they're at the front. We have our Yankee candles. They are BOGO. Now, once again, if you're in a half BOGO state, you could pick up one for just half the price. Heinz tomato ketchup. We have a really good deal on that. I'm going to break that down, but it's BOGO. The Ken steakhouse dressing. We have cheeses. We have our old El Paso taco shells, Campbell's soup. Of course, the Vanity Fair napkins. This is going to be really good to stock up on since 4th of July is right here. We have some of our Nature Truth vitamins. And you guys, look at these little tags. We have a save $2 tag now. So this could be a pretty good deal. I will also break that down for you guys. We have our, how do you say this? LaCroix? I don't know, but it's the sparkling water, y'all. It's buy one, get one free. We have these big lighters. Gonna be good, especially if you're cooking out at the grill. They are buy one, get one free. We have some of our relish. We have our Celsius. They are buy two, get one free. Make sure y'all look at stuff like this because sometimes they can kind of trip you up and you think it's BOGO. We also have some of our Sweet Baby Rays, buy one, get one. These are gonna be a staple at my house because y'all know I'm having a cookout. But they have the Chinet classic white plates. They are going to be BOGO. Mayonnaise BOGO. The ragu Ziploc bags are going to be BOGO. So there's some pretty good deals. And then of course my store always does this. They have the drink deals over here. We have our Coca-Cola 12 cans of soda. They're buy two get two for free. And then some of our Doritos are buy two get one for free. So we have some pretty good deals this week. They also have this section over here. Like, I just absolutely love my Publix. They have the Hefty Party Cups. Oh, those are BOGO. I said the Solo Cups yesterday, you guys. Please forgive me, but they are going to be on the Hefty Party Cups. We have the Gordon's mustard. We have the Honey Made graham crackers if you want to do a little s'mores. We have the Lipton tea. And then we also have those baked beans. They are 2 for $5. First deal we're going to cover is going to be on our Dove. So we have our Dove body wash, you guys. They are on sale for $7.99. And when you purchase $15 worth, you're going to get $5 off automatically. Now, the way that this works is this is a Publix promotion. So it will come off at self-checkout or at the register. You don't have to use any digital coupons to complete that deal. But what we are going to do is we are going to look at the FIFA brand Dove. We have an $8 off of 2 coupon, and it will stack with that 5 off of 15. So we're going to pick up 2 of these FIFAs for $7.99 each, which will be about $15.98. You're going to get that $8 off coupon on 2, and then that $5 will come off, leaving you to only pay $2.98 for this. So this is a really good deal. Now, I know a lot of people don't really like switching up on the Dove. I'm one of those people. I really like to just do like the Dove Sensitive or just my regular Doves, and you can do that too. You are going to pay $7.99 for each one, which is $15.98 when you get 2. And then that $5 will come off, leaving you to only pay $10.98. I don't think it's that bad of a deal. It's actually a pretty decent deal if you ask me. So if you want to do the regular Dove, you can. But this is also going to be your cheaper option. If you are needing oral care products, some of the deals that you could do is going to be on the Crest 30 white toothpaste. They are going to be buy 2, get $3 off. They originally priced at $9.99. But for this Crest, you guys, we do have a $3 off coupon. So this could be a deal that you may want to do if you use these products. We also have our Colgate Optic White. They are buy one, get one free. You could pick up 2 for $4.59, or you could pick up 1 for half the price. I also showed you all this deal yesterday on the Arm& and Hammer. They are buy one, get one free. And we have that 5 off of $20 coupon that is attaching to this. If you all have not checked out that preview, go ahead and check that out. But I will post the breakdown right here. But this is also a really good deal to do. And then, you guys, we also have these Always pads. They are going to be the liners only. They are 2 for $10. And we have a dollar digital coupon in our Publix app that is attaching, making these only $4. Our Pampers swaddlers are easy ups, and then also some of our wipes. They are going to be on this promotion that when you purchase 2, you will get $5 off. I did show you all a scenario. I will post it right here. But you guys, the splashers, which they don't have in stock, the 11 and 10 count, they are going to be BOGO. And we also have that 10 off a $35 coupon. Here's the breakdown for that. If you all have that coupon and if you all have it in stock, go ahead and use it. But if not, get a rain check, y'all. With the kids being out of school, you may want to stock up on some of the Gatorades that we will have this week that are BOGO, and we have coupons. So I'm going to start off with these 8 counts. They are going to be buy one, get one free. You are going to pick up 2 of them for $22.98. And you are going to put this $3 off of 4 coupon. It will leave you to pay just $19.98 for all 4, or about $4.99. Another option you could do is on the Gatorade. They are going to be buy one, get one free. Original price is $3.29. You are going to pick up 2 of them and clip this dollar off of 2 coupon. It will leave you to pay just $2.29 for both. So just some options that you could do. But I know kids love to drink this up, especially with sports and stuff like that. This is going to be a really good option. The pre-sims are also going to be buy one, get one free. I did show you all this deal yesterday, but I will post a breakdown right here. We have that 5 off a $30 coupon, so make sure that you clip that. You guys, we also have this liquid IV. It is buy one, get one free. I'm so excited about this because y'all know this is expensive. So anytime I could stock up on like stuff that I know I could get a good deal on, I'm going to, especially being in a half BOGO state. I'm only going to get this for half the price. Our Oscar Mayer bacon is going to be buy one, get one free. We will also have our Hatfield bacon that is BOGO this week. We have some of our sausages that are going to be 2 for $9. So that may be a really good breakfast option you can do. We have our Hillshire smoked sausage. They are buy one, get one free. Some of our Nathan franks will be 2 for $12. Our Oscar Mayer franks are going to be buy one, get one free. So this is going to be a really good deal, especially with 4th of July, to stock up on these. We also have some of our other meats that I had saw on the ad. They are also going to be really good in price. Some of them are BOGO, some of them are just like low in price in general. But we have some of the sliced Philly gourmet sandwich steaks. They are going to be buy one, get one free. And then one of my favorite deals that we have is going to be on our Just Bare chicken, you guys. They are on sale for $9.99. We're already saving $3.19, but we do have a $2 coupon, making one just $7.99. And then we also have our Farmer Focus chicken party wings. These are also BOGO. I absolutely love these just because they're organic and it tastes really good. The options you could choose are Jenny O turkey burgers. They are going to be $9.99. We're already saving $3. Y'all, I never knew that these Bubba burgers were this high. Like $18.99 is insane. And then down here, these is almost $40. Like, what is going on with the prices, y'all? That's why I love me a good deal, because these prices are ridiculous. But you guys, we also have our Publix chicken wingets. They are going to be buy one, get one free. Our Purdue air fry ready wings are BOGO. We have some of our Margaritaville shrimp appetizers that are BOGO. And then we have these stuffed chicken breasts that are going to be BOGO too. We also have our ribs that will be BOGO this week. Now, this is a good option, especially if you want to throw these on the grill. Now, they are buy one, get one. So the way that it works is if you're in a half BOGO state, just pick up one. And like, for instance, this is $20.81. You would divide that price in half, and that is what your total will be for one. Now, if you pick up 2 of them, what typically happens if you're in a true BOGO state is the lesser item will come off. So you would just pay the $20.81, but you're going to get 2 of them. So that is how that works. But we also have our Springer chicken breasts. They are $9.99. The chicken wings are $6.99. Sometimes on their website you can find you a $1 coupon, so I would do that. But we have some really good deals this week, y'all. Let's go ahead and move over to produce. Our corn will be 5 for $3. This is going to be on the individual ones. I honestly feel like I've seen better deals than this, but if that's a deal you want to do, you can. We also have our rusted potatoes. They are going to be $3.99 for the 5 pounds, so not a bad deal there. And then you guys, we also have some of our salads. They are going to be 2 for $6 this week. It's on the Fresh Express, so that could be an option if you want to make you a quick little salad. We have some of the dressings, the Marie dressings. They are BOGO. Some of our guacamole and salsa is BOGO, so if you want to make you like a guacamole combination, salsa is up there, that's BOGO as well. So not some bad deals, but they could do better. They could do better. Green beans are going to be $2.99. We have our jalapeno peppers, 2 for $5. Our organic hot house cucumbers are going to be $2.99. The baby seedless cucumbers are $2.99 as well. Let's see what else, y'all. I don't know. I'm not really feeling the produce section this week. Like, where's the deals? Now, I do know for our strawberries, they are going to be 3 for $10. Y'all, they got dragon fruit that's buy one, get one. Has anybody had this? I've never had it, but I've always been very eager to try. So I may try this since it is BOGO this week. We also have a few laundry deals. We have our Purex that will be buy one, get one free. If you're in a half BOGO state, just pick up one of them for half the price. Or if you're in a true BOGO state, pick up 2 for $8.29. Now, the Arm & Hammer deal is what I'm really waiting on. Now, you guys, I did get a little confused yesterday with the Ibotta offer. Now, the Ibotta offer is only valid on the baking soda one. That is 110 loads. So this is what we're going to stick with. It's still BOGO, priced at $12.39. Pick up 2 of them. Your total will be $24.78. You would divide that in half, which will bring you back down to $12.39. Then we have that 5 off a $20 coupon that would apply, making our cost out of pocket $7.39. Go to Ibotta, submit your receipt to get $3 back for each one, making you have $6 that you're getting back on Ibotta, and it's making your final cost just $8.39. So a really good deal. Let me put my Ibotta receipt right here. We all know we're gonna need some soda for the 4th of July, so let me just go through some of the soda deals that we have for the mini Coca-Cola products. They are buy 2 get 1 free. For our 6-pack of bottles, they are buy 2 get 2 for free. And then on our 12 cases of soda, they are going to be buy 2 get 2 for free. Honestly, y'all, Dollar General has the better deal this week when it comes to soda, if you ask me, and Family Dollar. So I will probably go there before I even get them from here, to be honest with you. But if you're at Publix and you need to get them, go ahead. We have these 6-pack of Coca-Cola products. They are going to be buy 1 get 1 free. Now this right here is a good deal because you could pick up one of them for just half the price. If you also want to get some of your Pepsi products, that would be a really good deal too, because on the 12 cases, I want to say they are buy 2 get, they only buy 2 get 1 for free. Yikes. But you guys, you know we have that $3 off of 4 coupon. We got to get a little creative with that. But if you don't want to do that, you can do these buy 2 get 2 for free on the 6-pack of Pepsi products, and that 3 off of $4 coupon is attaching to that. So it will make your total about $15.98, which is about $3.99 for each one. A few coffee options that you could do is going to be on our Starbucks iced coffee. They will be BOGO this week. And then we also have some of our almond milk that is going to be buy 1 get 1 free. This is actually a really good milk, and this is a really good price too. If you are needing any type of popsicles, you could do this 4th of July theme bomb pop popsicle. They are buy 1 get 1 free. You're going to pick up a total of 6 of them. 6 of them at the pre-sale price will be $29.94. And then you would divide that in half, which will bring you down to $14.97. And then you're going to clip this 5 off a $20 coupon, leaving you to pay just $9.97 for all 6. Our Kingsford Charcoal lighter fluid is 2 for $6. You could pick up one of them, whether you're in a true BOGO state or half BOGO state, for just $3. And then you're going to clip this $1.50 coupon, making this only just $1.50. Our Chic Hydro Silk refills are buy 1 get 1 free. You could pick up one of them if you're in a half BOGO state for just $8.49. You're going to clip this $5 off coupon, only leaving you to pay $3.49 for one. All right, you guys, so everything did come off. I did get my $5 in savings right here when I spent 15. My $8 came off and the $5 Arm& Hammer came off. I am going to submit my receipts at Ibotta to get that $6 back, making my final cost for this about $5.37. That completes my Publix preview deals that we have for the week of 7/1 to 7/7. If y'all have not checked out my preview video, check that out because it has some other good deals that you can do. But if I do not make another video before the 4th of July, happy 4th of July to everybody. Be safe. And also make sure you are following me. That way you are saving more and stressing less.